Hi, I'm Aqua with WTA.
I have found just the perfect towel bar. This is the Songtec Gold Towel Bar in 12-inch, and this is the coolest part. It is adhesive, no drilling required to install. I thought this was just so neat. It was really quality metal as well. This is in the gold color, but it comes in a few other finishes as well. The adhesive is super nice, very strong. This isn't coming off any surface once it's applied. I chose to put this on my kitchen island as I wanted an easy place to always be able to find my towel. So it's just a really convenient location, but this can be attached to pretty much any surface that's non-porous. So metal, your refrigerator, cabinets, anything that you would like a towel bar, now you can put it there, no drilling needed whatsoever. This little towel bar has really been a problem solver for me. The kitchen towels were always falling on the ground or look sloppy on the countertops, but now it's a dedicated place for the kitchen towel to go. This is a kitchen must-have. I love it and I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.